What's up, everybody? It's Ray and Ray from Philly on Saturday night, October 8th, and we just came home from the Phillies celebration show in Feasterville, Trevose, PA. It was good seeing MIKEO over there today, hanging out with him. And I got an autograph for my 1980 Phillies lithograph poster of Greg Gross. And while we were there, we bought a box of Donruss football cards that we're going to bust open tonight. 2016. And let's open this up.
Dangerous. That thing, whatever it is dangerous.
Our first box of football cards. $15 for this box. That's not bad at all.
Because you got a small one.
11 packs.
I get 6, you get 5.
And there's 8 cards in a pack. Which is not bad.
Alright. I count, you count, I get 6, you get 5. And win.
There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
Gimme. Gibby! They look so weird. I'm just kidding, they look like nothing. They look like they have more than 8.
See what these cards look like. Here we got Julius Peppers of the Packers.
Peppers.
Richard Sherman. Seattle Seahawks. Julian Edelman. Michael Crabtree, who's having a phenomenal year this year. All right, Carlos Dunlap, defensive end, Cincinnati Bengals. Desmond Trufant, Falcons.
Oh, I got something good.
Phillip Rivers.
I got something good.
And these are what the backs of them look like. And it looks like that whatever the team colors is, that's what the borders are too, so that's cool.
I think it says it.
Vernon Butler, defensive tackle with the Carolina Panthers. And you can see it's the team colors of the team for the borders. So far, so good. I'm liking it.
Alright, my turn. I don't know this.
Landon Collins, New York Giants.
They have so much wide receivers.
Doug Baldwin, Seattle.
Another wide receiver.
Cole Beasley of the hated Dallas Cowboys.
Not a wide receiver.
Eric Weddle,
How many
Baltimore Ravens safety. Eric Decker. 6 NFL seasons. I thought he's been playing a lot longer than that. He's got 50 career touchdowns. Very underrated player. Kendall Wright, Tennessee Titans. Rookie card, Kendall Fuller, cornerback, Washington Redskins.
And our first jersey card, Sterling Shepard.
Is that a jersey card?
Mm-hmm. It has it right here. Oh, feels good.
Let me see. How about that? I didn't know we were getting a jersey card.
It says it on the box.
Rookie phenom Sterling Shepard, who's, he is a really good wide receiver this year for the New York Giants.
I thought it felt thick. Because
Cool.
that really is thick.
Oh, my turn.
Let me cough at the end when you do that. Let's put them on this thing.
Tell you what, these are a lot tougher to open
In the top spot.
than the Topps Bunt cards. These are
How can you not open
thicker
it?
foil. Unless
No,
I need to eat my spinach
This
more.
is an easy way how to do it.
Former Philadelphia Eagle great Ron Jaworski. I didn't know they would put old-time players in there. That's cool. Blake Gabbert. He's now getting ruined by Chip Kelly. Charkandrick West. KC Chiefs. Move it over a little bit. Gary Barnidge, tight end from the Cleveland Browns. Gerald McCoy. Lamar Miller, running back with the Houston Texans. Legends of the Fall. They said in the box that there's Legends cards in here of Peyton Manning. And rated rookie Jalen Smith for the Dallas Cowboys. Maybe we'll get a Carson Wentz. Wouldn't that be cool? You get a Carson Wentz rookie.
Oh,
Brett Favre.
If this was Aaron Rodgers, I would have peed my pants.
Michael Bennett,
Probably.
Seattle Seahawks. Carlos Hyde, running back with the 49ers.
It looks like this guy's good.
Jeremy Maclin, former Eagle, now with the Chiefs. Julius Thomas, tight end from the Jaguars. Melvin Gordon, who's having a bounce back year, a terrible rookie year, much better year this year.
Darryl Green.
Hall of Famer Darryl Green.
Yeah.
Rated rookie Chris Moore from the Baltimore Ravens.
Yeah.
You're running out of battery juice.
Yay. That means we'll have to do all the other ones tomorrow when there's like...
That'll stink if battery goes dead.
Well, eat your face off.
Jordy Nelson.
Get
DeMarcus Ware.
Oh, now I need my spinach now.
Oh, I used to love this running back. John Riggins.
I need my
Rigo. Eric Dickerson. Kelvin Benjamin, who's having a phenomenal year. John Brown. And Ndamukong Suh, Miami Dolphins. Sean Davis, Pittsburgh Steelers. The Steelers. Not Steelers, Steelers.
Yeah, okay.
Danny Amendola.
Ben Roethlisberger, we always get him in the football packs, like the other one.
Ben Roethlisberger.
Ben Roethlishamburger.
Hall of Fame quarterback for sure. Rashad Breeland. Or Bushad Breeland. Looks like a B.
You Washington names, you're so
Matt
hard.
Forte. Greg Olson. Very underrated tight end. Joe Thomas. All-Pro offensive lineman, Cleveland Browns. Kawan Alexander. And Jonathan Bullard, Chicago Bears, rookie card, defensive tackle. I want a Carson Wentz.
I want an Odell Beckham Jr. Wait, no, I want Rob Gronkowski or an Antonio Brown.
Martellus Bennett.
Or Jordan Matthews. What the heck?
Lamar Houston. Shane Vereen. Khalil Mack. Geno Atkins.
Well done.
LaShawn Shady McCoy. And another Legends card of the Sheriff. 2006 Indianapolis Colts, Peyton Manning.
What?
Very cool.
Oh.
Here's a rated rookie of Rashard Higgins from the Cleveland Browns.
I got a good quarterback in this. I'm not showing him yet.
John Kuhn from the Packers. Brandon Marshall, not the wide receiver, linebacker from the Denver Broncos.
And Tom
Brady. Terrific.
Yeah, Tom Terrific.
Tom Brady.
Tom Terrific.
Malcolm Smith, linebacker with the Raiders. The Raiders! Ickey Woods from the Bungles. Blake Bortles, my backup quarterback on my fantasy team. Michael Floyd. Rated rookie Malcolm Mitchell from the New England Patriots. Still no Carson Wentz.
Why you said this morning that Carson Wentz is Now you want him so bad.
I cannot believe I can't open these.
I can.
Alright, I finally figured it out.
I didn't.
Thomas Rawls, Lou Rawls' brother.
I know.
Jason Witten.
I have no idea who
Tavon Austin. Keenan Allen. Shame he got injured again.
Yay.
Joe Hayden. Jay Ajayi from the Miami Dolphins.
Jay Ajayi.
Andy Dalton, the Dominator. And here's a rated rookie card of Eli Apple from the New York Giants.
Apple.
Cam Chancellor, Seattle Seahawks. Des Bryant of the hated Cowboys. Derek Johnson, linebacker, KC Chiefs. Joe Flacco from around this area, Baltimore Ravens. Buck Allen. Ozzie Newsome. Ozzie Newsome. Let's show the back of that again. Pretty cool cards. I like them. Base. DeMarco Murray. Having a better year with Tennessee. And rookie card, Keenan Reynolds, Baltimore Ravens. One more pack before this battery goes dead. You gotta hurry it up. All right. Wow. Gale Sayers. Ruben Randall, who's no longer with the Eagles. I don't think he is. Sean Drones from the San Fran 49ers. Mario Williams, Buffalo Bills. Carlos Williams, Buffalo Bills. Antonio Gates.
Jordan Reed.
Jordan Reed of the Redskins.
Yank.
Rookie card, Yannick. Wow. The last card I can't pronounce for the Jacksonville Jaguars. His last name. There you have it. Donruss 2016 football. We did get a jersey card of Shepard. Some great Hall of Fame players in there. Got Ron Jaworski, Darrell Green, Gale Sayers, Eric Dickerson, John Riggins. Some cool cards. So I recommend it. We're going to just came back from our LCS too on the way home from the show. I bought some sheets, so we're going to be putting them into our binders tonight. Anyway, we hope everyone enjoyed our video. Tune into our channel some more. Appreciate all your comments. Talk to you soon. Go Eagles.